Hello, Bladers. As we all know, if you are a famous personality, you cannot just have one identity. You should explore around and see where you can still excel. Here are some celebrities who are also racing car drivers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Celebrities and racers wrapped in one. Number 1, Paul Walker. We all know how the late Paul Walker has been in various Fast and the Furious franchises. He has also starred in other movies, but who would have thought that he was an actual racer? Number 2, Eric Bana. We all know how Eric Bana has starred in the movie Gone Girl. What a phenomenal actor, but deep down, he also spends his time racing in race tracks. Number 3, James Dean. He has been a classic icon and has been in a Taylor Swift song, but would you believe he was also into cars and into racing? Number 4, Patrick Dempsey. Now this iconic actor has been part of this dramatic series. But in his spare time, he also ends up racing. Never thought this softie would end up in a race track. Number 5, Rowan Atkinson. Everyone must remember him from being Mr. Bean and Johnny English all in one. But no one would actually believe that he is also a racer himself. These are some mind-blowing facts. A kid comedian turns out to be a racer. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.